Have you ignored calls from unknown area codes? Many do. Businesses now prefer 10DLC for SMS marketing. 10DLC, or 10-digit long code, allows businesses to send texts from a local number, connecting with customers nearby. This system offers faster, reliable message delivery. Local numbers build trust. Texts from recognized area codes catch attention. With 10DLC, businesses send more messages per minute compared to traditional numbers, ideal for application to person, a 2P messaging. Why switch to 10DLC? It's faster, reliable, and cheaper than dedicated short codes. Businesses must register local numbers to prevent spam texts. This step reduces the risk of message blocking and can be quick. Ready to start? First, obtain your trust score. Higher scores lead to better messaging limits. Select your local number. Text enable an existing landline or acquire a new one. Once set up, send and receive messages with features like MMS and automated texts. How does 10DLC stack against other options? Local numbers outperform dedicated short codes and toll-free numbers for speed and calls. Carriers want to reduce spam while allowing easy business texting. Message limits depend on trust scores. Costs? SimpleTexting has low 10DLC setup fees, a small monthly subscription, and carrier charges. Trust scores gauge messaging risk, ensuring customers receive credible texts. Excited to start texting? Try our 2-week free trial. No credit card needed.